If you're on the hunt for a versatile and reliable cookware set that won't break the bank, look no further than the Amazon Basics Non-Stick Cookware 8-Piece Set. This comprehensive set is designed to elevate your cooking experience and make meal preparation a breeze, whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your culinary journey. Say goodbye to sticky situations in the kitchen thanks to the 8-piece non-stick cookware set. The collection includes an 8-inch fry pan, a 10-inch fry pan, a 1.5-quart saucepan with lid, a 2-quart saucepan with lid, and a 3-quart casserole pan with lid. With this set at your disposal, you'll have the perfect tools to tackle a wide range of recipes and cooking techniques. Crafted with an aluminum body and a non-stick coating, these pots and pans ensure easy cooking and even easier cleaning. The non-stick feature means you can whip up your favorite dishes without worrying about stubborn residue clinging to the surface. Plus, you'll appreciate the peace of mind knowing that these kitchen essentials are made without BPA, making them safe for you and your loved ones. No more fumbling around with hot handles. The Amazon Basics Cookware Set boasts comfortable soft-touch handles that stay cool during use, allowing you to maneuver with confidence and comfort. The vented glass lids are a thoughtful addition, ensuring that excess steam can escape, preventing overcooking, and creating perfectly cooked meals every time. Achieving even heat distribution is a breeze, thanks to the spiral bottom of these pots and pans. Say farewell to unevenly cooked meals and embrace consistent results with this reliable cookware set. Compatible with gas, electric, and glass stovetops, this set can handle your cooking needs without missing a beat. However, please note that these pots and pans are not induction compatible, so keep that in mind when making your purchase. To keep your cookware in top-notch condition, it's essential to hand wash them with care. While they're not dishwasher safe, a little extra effort in cleaning will keep these kitchen essentials in tip-top shape for years to come. Additionally, before purchasing, make sure to check the size of your stovetop's hobs to ensure a perfect fit. While these pots and pans are designed to perform well under various heat levels, it's best to use them at low to medium heat. Exposing them to extremely high temperatures can lead to handle and coating damage, so keep an eye on the heat settings and cook with care. With the Amazon Basics Non-Stick Cookware 8-Piece Set, cooking becomes a delightful experience filled with culinary possibilities. Whether you're flipping pancakes, simmering sauces, or searing a savory steak, this cookware set has got your back. Say hello to hassle-free cooking and goodbye to sticky, unevenly cooked meals. Elevate your kitchen game and add this essential cookware set to your culinary arsenal today.